some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then,
I got it, Weiss. This is your line. This is your line. It's above your pay grade to worry about that. Oh! Truck. I knew it. What's good, y'all? It is I, Reggie Wolf, and today it is time to watch RWBY. Today we have Volume 2, Chapter 3, A Minor Hiccup. And look, last week on Welcome to Beacon, a lot of people pulled up to Beacon. We had Atlas, and I guess you would call them Team Cinder that pulled up. And look, they kind of broke my ankles because, when I was like thinking about it in the beginning, I was like, Cinder and them gonna probably pull up, but then, Atlas was there, and I was like, okay, so it's just gonna be Atlas, and it's gonna be some like beef between Atlas and Beacon. Nope, everybody pulled up, bro. And this season seems like it's about to be interesting. That's all I can say, because the ops are close. Now, if y'all enjoy this episode, bro, go to Rooster Teeth, hit them with the goodness. That's like, comment, subscribe, share, lock it in by hitting the bell. That is the goodness. Hit them with it. And if y'all enjoy my reaction, do the same for your boy. Let's get to it.
There's a point where it tips, there's a point where it breaks, there's a point where it bends, and a point we just can't take anymore. There's a line up across and there's no return. There's a time and a place, no bridges left to burn anymore. We can't just wait with lives at stake until they think we're ready. Our enemies are gathering, our storm is growing loud.
On the surface level, you would really think that the Grims are the main enemy, but literally as you start watching, you realize, they pretty much maybe are a little more stronger than zombies, but like the zombies in a zombie verse. All right, let's get into it. Okay, it's 4 o'clock.
So, Weiss,
They really just got him making noise.
we could go grab a bite to eat.
Hmm.
And, well, I've got 2 tickets to that new Spruce Willis movie. If
John putting the moves on Weiss?
Here, it's awesome. And then maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart, and I'm
You trying.
And then timed that one wrong, I guess. Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have
I've had
to wait
teachers and professors like
until
this.
next time.
Weiss, did you hear me?
no, yes.
One day.
She's just as cold, bruh. Oh my God. Just as cold as her abilities and look.
I thought that class would never end.
All right, guys, today's the day. The investigation begins. I'm glad to see we're taking this so seriously.
Hey, we've got a plan. That's moderately serious.
Right. Everyone remember their roles? You and I will head to the...
I'm just now like, hold on. Fit check.
I'm glad to
Fit
see we're
check.
taking... All right, guys, today's the
check.
day. The investigation begins. I'm glad...
All right, Ruby Fit done definitely upgraded. It's like she got some stitching on her body. Okay, I didn't even pay attention to it. If this is not the first time we've seen this, then I have not been paying attention, because that's a noticeable difference.
Hey,
Y'all already know what I'm saying about Yang, bruh. Yang got the things out. We ain't gonna talk about all that. But then like the shoulder area, it's like, is that just the jacket, or is it connected to the midsection? I don't know. And then got spikes on the thigh.
got a plan. That's
A little lethal with a little badass.
Right. Everyone remember their roles? You and I will head to the CCT to check
Weiss's
the
is
records
kind
for
of
any
simple,
undisclosed
kind of
boundaries or
businessy though.
inconsistencies. Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem.
The White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit
She got a workout jacket on, like a good little windbreaker. It's a mid-sleeve windbreaker?
new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning.
I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard.
Great, we'll meet up tonight near Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this!
Yeah.
Son, How
Yep.
did you get up there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
You do what?
I climb trees all the time.
Oh.
So, are we finally getting back at that
I
torture?
mean, that makes sense.
We are going to investigate the situation as a team.
Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune.
Sup?
How did you even get up here?
I have my ways.
Good question.
Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
I'll go
I
with
knew he
Yang,
was
son.
scared.
You can go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good?
Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister.
But Weiss, who would go with you then?
Why he so
I
still?
guess Neptune could come with me.
Nah.
But
Okay, I see why she turned down Jean.
Get how big the transmit tower looks up close?
you should see the one in Atlas.
That was the first one, right?
Correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the four kingdoms to communicate with one another. It was their gift to the world after the Great War.
Ooh, look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich.
Don't be a pest. Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library.
I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture. Ah. Oh. You dropped this.
Hey!
Penny?
Yeah.
Where have you been? We haven't seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused. I've got to go.
What was that about?
I don't know.
Come on, man. Penny, you the one robot army. What's going on? I guess in the last season, she was kind of told to chill out on like making herself so known. So
But I'm going to find out.
trying to
You
keep
go
a
make
cover
call.
going.
I'll meet up with you later. Wait!
Y'all are a duo. Stick together.
Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding. What? Penny, is everything okay? Penny, please stop. Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad.
Keep
I
your
need
cover
you to
going.
Tell me what happened to you that night, please. As a
You went
friend.
home.
It isn't safe to talk here.
She hit the friend button. I was hoping she hit the friend button. Yo, I love that they're showing so much of the school off this season. We still got some time before we even catch up to them.
Welcome to the CCT. How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity? Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
Mishni. Did she get elevator sickness, or was she having like an internal war with herself?
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Hi, Mom. How are things back in Signal?
Okay.
Thank you for calling the Atlas. Oh, Miss Schnee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch?
Okay, I remember one of the comments on the last video was talking about Weiss is from Atlas, and there is a reason why she went to Beacon instead of going to their school. And the I don't know what you would call her. This person here, I don't know what her official position is. Saying welcome to Atlas, and then seeing this Weiss is like, okay, The little subtle details.
You through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
No, thank you.
Winter?
I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then,
I got it, Weiss. This is your line. This is your line. It's above your pay grade to worry about that. Oh, that's a Weiss line, though. I don't care what nobody say. If she would have responded with that, in character, but cold as hell.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well.
Valid.
The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
Wonderful. That will be all then.
Are you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
I can't wait to dive more deep into her family life.
I wish I could help you, Ruby.
The shoulder plate on Ruby is cold too.
Those men. Well, what happened?
I just want to know the design, like reason, or is it useful?
Were you kidnapped? Oh no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot.
Believe me, I know the feeling. But why not let us know you were okay?
I was asked not to talk to you, or Weiss, or Blake, or Yang. Anybody, really.
Was your dad that upset?
No, it wasn't my father.
The AK-130 has been the standard security model of Remnant for several years, and they have done a...
I'm not gonna lie, I thought he said AC-130. I was like, we got those in Ruby too? Okay. Ruby can turn into COD real quick.
Fine job, wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree? But the Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation.
I'm getting Iron Man 2
Well,
vibes.
that's just not good enough, is it? Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200.
The disrespect, bro. Understand, I still got my old phones. You don't disrespect the things that been carrying the weight for a long time, even if it is a machine. I hit my mic a little bit. You just gonna have them kick them over. You could have had them come out, pick them up, and put them in the little carriers. But nah, the disrespect with the kick.
Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly,
they're better.
These models will become out.
I knew they were gonna flex up.
But they won't be long. Now, the Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
There you go.
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Atlesian Paladin.
Ruby turned into Mech Warriors.
Today, but these mechanized battleships.
Ruby turned into Titanfall 1. Ruby turned into Armored Core 1. Oh, what the hell is this? We said a human, it better be human piloted at least. It's wannabe Jaeger.
Will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom with
Reject Gundam. I'm talking all the mess, I know.
Ruby, maybe we should go.
Y'all want to keep
somewhere
it going,
else.
I won't be mad.
Penny? Wait, where are you going?
Skedaddle on go.
Down here. She went this way.
Y'all are not catching. Damn, what? Them some good breaks, cause he would have been down the street messing with me. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I would have been whoa, boom. If he dead. I was waiting on the site to come out. She really got the burp. Oh, wait, never mind. Ain't no catching her. Maybe there's some catching her. Truck. I knew it. Throw Penny in with Truck Coon today. She can take this man out. I thought Ruby's about to get sent to an Isekai. But no, Penny really can body Truck Coon, bruh. It almost happened.
Are you okay?
Uh-huh.
Did you see that?
Jump.
She's okay.
Penny, come back!
Can you call the police? Did she stop that with her bare hands?
Yes, she did.
Penny! Please! What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that? I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you. No, you wouldn't understand. Let me try. You can trust me. You're my friend, right?
Yeah.
Promise you're my friend? I promise. Ruby, I'm not a real girl. Oh.
And then Penny with the fan art. Okay. I got something to say. Okay, I got something to say. This is about where we gonna stop it at right here. Lies of P? Lies of P. Look, if y'all play Lies of P, you know where I'm getting at, right? Penny, Pinocchio. Look, y'all know better than I do. Am I on to something? The way she phrased that, I'm not a real girl. I want to be a real boy the whole time. Bruh. And now I might need the mod. I will download Lies. Is Lies of P a PS5 exclusive? No. Yeah, maybe. If Lies of P is on PC, or when it comes to PC, we need a Penny mod for it. I'm going to say that right now. We need someone to go in the game, make a redhead robotic. Because if y'all haven't played Lies of P, understand that the game is based off of Pinocchio. That's all you need to know. But okay, so I knew she was robotic, but for some reason my brain wasn't putting it all together. And I thought that everyone else knew she wasn't, human either because of the whole thing that she did in that last fight with all the blades. She really had, I don't know if this is a good reference, infinite blade works going on. But it took me this long to realize Penny, Pinocchio. They flipped it again. Okay. Rooster Teeth. Okay. Somehow, every time I think that I kind of got things a little figured out, boom! It was something I missed. Unless I'm just like putting two and four together and trying to get 6, but I really somehow got 5 or 7. I don't know. I could be doing the math wrong, but in my head, it's Pinocchio. And I played Lies of P. Lies of P is one of my top 5 games of last year. I can't wait for a DLC and a sequel to come out. And immediately, that's where I went to. And then she had everybody think she's a human, and that's a lie. Her nose didn't grow, but in Lies of P, I'm not going to spoil it. That's all I'm going to say. Some people ain't played it. But, yeah, okay. For one, she's strong as hell. Strong as hell. Stop Truck Coon. We can't forget that. I like that RWBY finally kind of used her abilities, but I guess it kind of took a lot out of her because not only is Penny strong, she heavy too, which makes sense. And let's see what else. Weiss's whole thing with her family, like I said, I want to see more of that. I want to hear more about that. But hey, don't spoil me, okay? Don't spoil me. I want to like watch the show and learn it. I mean, y'all been doing really good with not spoiling me, and I appreciate that, yeah, from y'all, right? But yeah, I want to know more and more because I just found out she has a sister. Okay. So that's not the only sisters we got in the show, RWBY, and then Weiss Winter. Okay, which I forget. Don't tell me. I'm gonna go back and Google it. All right, but someone told me what Weiss stood for in I think German. I think it's German. But yeah. All right. Okay, Rooster Teeth. I see what y'all doing, bro. If y'all are enjoying going through this with your boy and kind of seeing me, find things out, that aha moment, hit Rooster Teeth with the goodness. That's like, comment, subscribe, share. Lock it in by hitting the bell. That is the goodness. Hit them with it. And if y'all enjoyed my reaction, do the same for your boy. This has been your boy, Reggie Wolf. I am signing out. Peace.